What if you found a master key? Something with the power to unlock everything. Would you try it? Use it to access unbelievable places. Connect you to nature deeper than anything. Tap into a balance of health you didn't know existed. Would you share it with others? Or use it to face your own fears? But what if the key was within reach, and all you had to do is grasp it?
2 paddle strokes out in the water. You are alone, you're free.
There's something really magical about just having that kayak solo in the water, moving silently along the coast.
When I'm on the water, it allows me to completely disconnect, and that brings you very present.
It's the one thing that I do right now. While I'm doing it, I don't think about anything else.
You're able to just take a pause and just take everything in.
I love the feeling of the waves swelling underneath you and seeing living things underwater.
We have so much amazing wildlife to see.
Before, I thought the kayak was basically a vehicle, and I was a passenger in that vehicle. The most important thing I've gathered is that you and the boat become one.
We really need this type of connection to the water, and then really connection to ourselves. Being outdoors and being well are kind of inseparable.
There is something very zen about being on the water.
Just seeing this incredible vitality and access to wellness, that's such a huge deal.
You're moving at the pace that your body allows.
I needed to find an alternative to skiing because my knees won't last forever.
You can have challenging conditions, surf or fast currents. You can get some adrenaline.
I've been in a number of places that have pushed me to my limits and walked away from it with a smile on my face.
I love how respectful you have to be of Mother Nature. You've got to pay attention to the conditions, and you've got to pay attention to the tides.
Everybody knows what it's like to have fear.
I was well outside my comfort zone.
We ended up in the conditions that if I saw by myself, I would just turn back and try some other day.
At the end of the first day, I was done. I was going to walk away. I couldn't do it.
I never would have gone out there on my own, but knowing I had some people around me that would help me if I got in trouble made all the difference.
The instructors, the guides, worked with me and took me from I can't do this to hell yeah, I can do this.
Being able to try things that I by myself find too scary, and here I just feel encouraged and safe to try them out.
Life shouldn't always be comfortable. That's not where you grow. You grow in the discomfort.
The freedom and the confidence you get from being with others that are really like-minded.
To be able to come together as a community is huge. Human connection and community is one of the things that's really lacking in the world today.
This community, everyone is so kind, so generous. It just feels very organic.
I didn't realize that there would be as much of a community feeling as I've experienced, and that's really special.
Put down the noise, follow the current where it takes you.
It's just nature and human power.
It's a lifelong learning experience.
It's a challenge, but it's exciting. What excites me is how far I can take it